Welcome to the Sheetgo add-on, your tool to seamlessly automate data across Google Workspace. Connect spreadsheets, generate Google Docs and PDFs, or send automatic emails. Whatever your needs, Sheetgo helps you save time to focus on what really matters. Once you've installed Sheetgo, find it in your extensions menu. Click on Sheetgo to open the add-on from any spreadsheet. Sign up and allow the necessary permissions. Sheetgo is a recommended for Google Workspace add-on, ensuring a secure tool for your work. From here, you can import data from other sources or export data to different destinations. Import data from Google Sheets, CSV files, Excel, BigQuery, or an API. Use data processors to transform your data. You can filter, merge, split, and join. Export data to multiple destinations such as another spreadsheet, BigQuery, Google Doc, or PDF, and send it via Gmail. Choose a spreadsheet for the best alternative to import range. Transfer formatting and keep your source file secure with no more errors or copy pasting. Select document generation as a destination to create invoices, purchase orders, work orders, lease agreements, and more. Use Sheetgo for mail merge to set up ticket systems, purchase approvals or confirmations, reminders, and more. No matter where you start, opening a Google Sheet is your next step. Sheetgo is your solution for seamless data integration and automation across Google Workspace. Start saving time today.